Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to embed a YouTube video into your Canva presentation. Let's say you're working on a presentation and want to add a video that plays during your slides. Here's how. Method 1. Copy and paste the link. Go to YouTube and find the video you want to embed. Copy the link from the address bar or click Share and copy the URL. Return to your Canva design and paste the link directly onto the slide. The video thumbnail will appear instantly. You can resize, rotate, or reposition it as needed. Method 2. Use Canva's YouTube app. If pasting the link doesn't work, go to the Apps tab in Canva and search for the YouTube app. Open it. Then enter the video's unique ID, the text after the equal sign in the URL. Select your video and it will appear on your slide. Adjust its placement and size, then preview to ensure it works. Whether embedding your own video or someone else's, this method is perfect for compiling dynamic content. That's all for today. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.